Alright guys, facing call not working problem on your Poco X8 Pro Max, no need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to fix this issue. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and make call normally without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.